Coming soon is our new Intermittent Fasting Challenge Your Way. Many of us are in a circadian misalignment. We eat on the go, we're in a society where sugar, refined starches, and fried foods are tempting us at all hours of the day, and we're often pushed to our limits at work or with household and family duties. We are stressed. Sleep is not always prioritized. We stay up late catching up on emails, social media, TV shows. We get hungry and eat right before bed. Our next intermittent fasting challenge is Your Way. You can choose to select a program-only option that gives you access to a dietitian, online modules, and exclusive discounts. This is great for those that already have their eating down to a T and love to cook. Optional add-ons include our intermittent fasting meal kit, which includes fast bars to extend your fasting window, boost blend, and our coffee sachets. If you've joined our fasting challenge before, this is the meal kit that you're most familiar with. You may also choose to add on our new lower carb meal plan. These are all the same great, delicious, and healthy meals, just lower in carbs. You can also check out our pick your own meal plan or a chef-curated flexitarian or pescatarian box as well. Finally, our other add-on option is our Farm to Fork Fresh Produce Box. If you love to cook but would love to make a few less trips to the grocery store, this produce box is an awesome choice. Our modules will include recipes that you can use with items from your box. So what are you waiting for? Head on over to our marketplace to purchase your IMF Program modules and any add-ons you desire to help support your intermittent fast and reset your circadian clock.